Hey guys, it's your girl Tamelessentampa here back again. It has been quite some time since I posted my last video. I sincerely apologize. I have not been busy. I can't even lie and say I've been so busy. I've been lazy as F, which is why I haven't posted a video, because I've just been so lazy. I don't want to like film and edit and all of that jazz. But I have missed filming, so here I am back again with a new video. For one, this bag, for my last video, I actually cheated on my shopping hiatus in a way, but not a way. I sold a piece and got something in replace of it. So in a way, kind of cheated on my hiatus, and in a way didn't. But yes, I am going to talk about that today. So that item is my Gucci Gigi Blooms Super Mini Dionysus handbag. I really like this handbag, but there's some things about it. So first of all, this bag was like made for little Nori Wesses of the world because it is small. It, like in the world of like small, like it's called the Super Mini, it's super mini. It is literally the tiniest thing ever, and it fits the bare minimum, like absolute minuscule bare minimum. So that's definitely kind of a drawback on it. So I'm gonna kind of show you, I have it packed right now, so we'll unpack it and see what's inside. You can see, I'm noticing from the way that it's in there, like when you try to stuff it, it completely messes up the design of the bag. Cause look, this side's like bigger with this way than this side, and that's just because of what's like stuffed in there. And then like if I tried, like it appears like from the sides and things like, oh, you could probably stretch it out a little bit more and really maximize it, push this out, but then it will not close. So it really is a super mini. So first and foremost, I can't put my keys inside of this bag. So if I'm going out, usually my car keys, like if I have on a jacket, I usually put them in my jacket pocket. If I'm not wearing a jacket, I try to toss them in my bag. As you can see, my keys cannot fit in here. So now maybe if I substitute something inside, I could probably just fit my actual car key and not my tassels, but this helps me find the keys inside of my bags. So I'm just gonna take that off because it's making a lot of noise for video purposes. Okay, so it comes with this little key ring that's usually inside. You could probably put like a clay on it. They do have clays that are the same print, the Gigi Blooms print, so you could probably put a clay on it and use that, and then get some space inside. So let's open it up. It is just a snap button closure on the bag. So we open it up, and then the inside has the suede, and it's just kind of a faux flap. I believe in like the medium and large sizes of this is an actual like compartment, an extra pocket, but it's just a faux flap here. It does get a little bit of wear from that button that is from the snake hook on the front. It does get a little bit of wear from that on the suede, but I'm not too concerned about that. So that is what that is. So open inside and you'll see what I have inside. I have my iPhone, I have a Dior lip balm scrub, and then I have my wallet and like a couple other things. So let's just kind of take them out. So I've got I'm gonna read, whoop, and of course I completely dropped it. Oy. Okay, so it popped out of the case. So it is the Dior Addict Lip Sugar Scrub. I usually use their like lip balm that kind of moves off of your like natural lip color, but I got this scrub because it's a sweet exfoliating balm, because sometimes you're a little dry in the winter time, so it's kind of like a scrub and a balm in one. So I thought that was kind of cool. So I usually toss that in there. I'm not that person that touches up my lip a lot. I usually wear a lot of nude lips, usually, so that way if I eat it off or whatever, I can put a balm on and keep it moving, or I just wear balm throughout the day. Moving on, I have the Gucci Marmont card case in the nude colored, that's in there. And then I have my cell phone not in a phone case. It is the 6S. I have that in there. Got a text message. And then I have a Gin because you get rid of nauseous. These are amazing. I get nauseous quite often, so they're just great to like kind of chew on. And that's literally all that fits in the bag. So now it is completely empty. Now there's some, and then I'll close it so you can actually see. So you see the suede kind of lines up now versus it was like kind of like off on the center, but yeah, it lines up now. But yeah, so this bag is definitely great for if you're on vacation, like going out throughout the day, or you're going out, maybe if you're on a cruise, and when you're on the cruise, you don't really need your phone when you're on the cruise unless you want to use it for pictures, but literally like your phone and your card for your room is like pretty, and like maybe your ID is what you need on a cruise, like that's perfect. This is perfect for that, because it literally does not fit much else. So it's kind of the perfect size for those small things. You can hang a clay on the side, like I said, and then I could probably fit more things because my wallet, my card case takes up a little bit of room in there. So I could probably fit maybe my keys comfortably, and like it'll probably be able to close a little bit more comfortable. But otherwise than that, there's not much other ways to substitute room in this. So there is a couple of things that I wish that I could fit into it. So let's kind of talk about those things. So first and foremost, I wear glasses. So if you don't know that, I do wear glasses. I have Warby Parkers. I keep them in the case. My prescription is a pretty light prescription, so I don't have to wear them kind of all day. Just kind of like when my eyes start to get irritated, I'll put them on. But I tend to take my glasses off a lot. Like if I'm wearing them, I'll have them on and then like I'll take them off and be without them. So I kind of use them sort of like they are reading glasses, but they aren't. They're actually just prescription. But sometimes, honestly, like my eyes will get dry and it's more irritating for me to wear my glasses than it is for me not to wear them. So I don't wear them all the time. Clean up my makeup off of them. But yeah, so I keep them in my purse for those times when, like sometimes even when I go to the movies, it's like, cause it's dark and my eyes are like really straining, it kind of irritates. And then also my sunglasses. So I'm that girl that like, I'll wear my sunglasses and then as soon as I come inside, I like to take them off, put them in the bag, put them in their pouch or their case and put them in my bag. So these are what I'm wearing right now. They're all scratched up. They're kind of like trashed. And I've only had them for like 2 years now, which seems like a long time, but like I have a bunch of sunglasses, so I don't really wear them kind of, and I have like a pair that I just leave tossed in the car, but they're all like trash, but they are the Chanel Boy cat eyes, and they're super, and I love these. But yeah, they're kind of scratched, but they're black, so you can't really tell that they're scratched up unless you're like really in them. When I have them on my face, you can't really see, especially because of the acetate, how shiny it is. You can't really see, but yeah, I don't like to like put them on my head or my shirt because I feel like those fall off. Like you're moving around, you bend over, your sunglasses fall off your chest, you have them on your head, they start to slide or they mess up your hair. Like I prefer to just have my sunglasses either on my eyes or in my purse, in the pouch. So can't put those in there. My phone is always in its case, and it's just a nice plastic case that have a pop socket on the back of it. Definitely can't fit it in there. If I put it in there, it literally takes up all the room, especially with the pop socket. That is like the width of the bag is like my phone and the pop socket, like not even popped out. That's the width of it. So it really can't fit much else. So that's why I took my phone out of the case for video purposes to show you guys what can fit in there. Hand sanitizer. Gotta keep it clean, especially if you're like on the go, you're outside, you're at festivals, things that you would probably use this size of bag for. I would want to have hand sanitizer. Like you're out at a festival, you're out on vacation, you're moving and grooving, you're going. You want to have hand sanitizer because you're probably eating and going on the go and you're touching lots of nasty things. So hand sanitizer, definitely. And then Tic Tac mints. So I don't chew a lot of gum. I used to chew gum non-stop. And I don't chew a lot of gum because it creates ulcers because it's like giving your body the tension that you're eating. And then like if you're not eating and you're chewing gum and it's like then all this acid's going into your stomach and it's not good for you. So I will do like a Tic Tac or a mint kind of instead of chewing gum as often. So I have like a little mini Tic Tac tin that I put in my like smaller handbags, and that can't even fit in here. So like I said, this bag is made for Nori West. It's made for Penelope Disick. It's made for all of those little tiny celebrity girls that are running around that are literally like under 5 that can put their Barbie, like this can't even fit a Barbie. It is tiny, but I love the print. It's great for, like I said, like you need in that little super small thing. It's a very reasonable price point, $7.90 for designer. Now, with that being said, you can buy for just what, $200 more. You can probably get a Gucci Soho, which fits the world. I have one and I love it. It literally fits the world. But if you want something a little bit unique, a little bit more dressy, they are coming out with velvet, or it's either, I think it's velvet. It's either velvet or suede versions of these that will be great for like if you have a black tie wedding or just a black tie event in general to go to. It'd be great to have something a little bit more dressy because this is a little bit more of a casual piece because of the like the floral and the classic Gigi print. But For me, I'm loving it. I use it as just kind of like my day-to-day bag. So like I literally will stuff things, just kind of like my wallet, like wallet, phone, easy things, and have it inside of my actual bigger bag. So that way if I'm like, I'm a sucker for like, if I'm going, get off of work and I'm running into the grocery store or running to do an errand, I don't want to be toting around my like huge bag in and out of places, especially when I'm running quick. I will grab my wallet and just go. But this kind of, and then sometimes you go in there, like say if I just running into the grocery store and I'm like, oh, I'm just going to grab some milk and go, then I go in and I like see milk and then I'm like, okay, we need bread and we need this and need that. And then it's like too many things in my hand versus I can just grab this out of my bag, crossbody it, and then just go get what I need, and still have my hands free. So it's kind of a to each its own kind of piece. It's super cute. I've been in love with the Gigi print since it, the Gigi Blooms print since it made its debut back in 2011. And I've been like dying to get a piece. So I'm super excited about getting this piece, but it's not practical. If you're somebody that you know you don't really do well with small bags, like this is the smallest of small bags. This does not work for you. This will not work for you in the least bit. But I mean, I love it. I think it's a great piece to have. So I mean, you stop into your local Gucci store, check it out if you have a local Gucci store near you. I know that when I went in the store, I was surprised that they had this, and he told me that the super minis are super hard to come around, the super minis, and he didn't even have a mini for me to compare because I wanted to compare the sizing because they look pretty significant in difference online, and the price is pretty significant. It's about $1,000 more for the mini versus the super mini. So I definitely wanted to compare those prices before I mean not prices, sizes before I made a decision, but he didn't have any minis in stock. And then I put it on, I thought it was kind of really just a nice little cute bag, and it was nothing like what I have in my wardrobe. I feel like the mini would be similar size to a lot of the other smaller like crossbody bags that I have in my wardrobe already. So the super mini would definitely kind of plug something that I don't have, and it's just like a nice cute piece. So super excited about this. If you have any other questions, please comment below. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have seen these babies, what your opinion of them are, and I will start posting more regularly. I will promise I'll start posting more regularly. Thanks for watching. Bye.